Hello friends, on this video I'll show you how to set portrait mode on your Snapchat ID. And friends, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. At first you have to move on Snapchat app. Here just click on this side arrow, you can see the small one on the side here. Click on it, then you can see here focus. Okay, click on it. After clicking on it, you can click photos. Okay, example I will show you here. Just take the position to click photos and you just tap on this circle. Okay, here it's done. The picture has been saved. You can send to your friends also if you want to send, and this pic has been blurred already, right? You just click on your friend's ID, then you just send it and it will be sent. If you want to share your photos, and friends, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.